What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a pretty exciting video because we're gonna put that thing on the dyno. You asked for it. Actually, I posted a picture on Instagram probably like a few days ago, and I asked you how much horsepower do you think that car makes. Some say 215, some say 350, which is crazy, but anyway, we are going to see just that. Today we are going to RD Turbo Production in Montreal, and they are well, they were kind enough to tell me, well, if you want to dyno test your car, please bring them to us and we are going to put the cars on the dyno. If you love that kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. It helps a lot, and also consider liking this video. So without further ado, let's jump inside the car and let's drive to Montreal to put that thing on the dyno. Mon bet c'est 2,25. Fait que mon bet c'est 2,25 wheel, mais finalement, il faudrait vraiment le G5, ça leur tient.
Oh ouais, c'est ça. Je pense qu'on a le G5. C'est sûr?
Okay, so we just dynoed the car. And it was, to be honest, it was not quite the result that I was expecting from this car. My butt dyno told me that this car was pretty fast. Not gonna lie. I thought that the car had somewhere around 220 to the wheels, 220, 225. That was my butt dyno guess. Well, turns out the car right now has got 215 or 217. I'm going to write the right amount right there with the amount of torques and everything, but more torque than horsepower. What that means is there's restriction somewhere, and what we realized is that when we did the setup on the car, we actually did the whole exhaust, and we did the supercharger, the intake, the tune is right, everything is right, but our only problem is the car still has the stock manifold. We need to change that. We Rick told me that he wanted to do an open header run just to see the numbers, but we are going to put iFlow cats, a G-pipe, and probably headers on the car, and we are going to bring the car back to the dyno, hopefully this time making something somewhere around like 240, 245. The real car had 248, So my goal is to reach that amount, but to the wheels right now, we don't even have 200 wheels, which is sad. So we need to do something about that. But if you want to see a series of video just about like upgrading the power of the Fast and Furious Maxima, let me know. One good thing though, we realized that this power, well, those power figures are actually safe for the transmission. That was my biggest concern. So now we need to do something to make more power. Anyway, guys, I will wrap up the video right here. I really hope you enjoy. At first, we were supposed to put the Jetta on the Dyno too, but I thought we could do like 2 separate videos, one for the Maxima, one for the Jetta. Let me know what you think. Consider subscribing to the channel. As always, it means a lot to me. It supports us in our projects and stuff like that. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you have a great day. I see you in the next one, guys. Goodbye.